This is the 2023 Acura RDX. The cargo capacity, according to Acura, is 29.5 cubic feet, and there obviously are a couple of different ways that you can set things up. You can lower the rear seats, lay them flat, and you'll increase your cargo space to the maximum of 29.5 cubic feet. But what does that really mean for you? Let's take a look at what the cargo capacity is in inches in this RDX. And we'll start off by telling you that the width is 43 inches, and then you're going to have from the floor right here up to the top, and this is going to work its way all the way in, unless you want to factor in where the panoramic sunroof is right there. It's going to be 30 inches, and that's even when you get into the interior area right here. So just in case you're wondering, there's really not much of a difference in this particular vehicle as far as that goes. And now that I can actually lay the tape measure down and don't have to have one hand to hold it or both hands to hold it, that's why I couldn't hold it up in this area. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but right here we can show you that with the rear seats in their upright position, you're looking at a cargo length without tongue twisting of 39 inches. And you can lower the rear seats right here in the rear area. Just pull that release and then the seats will lower. Obviously there is one on both sides. And when you lower the seats down, you're going to increase the length to 63 inches, but keep in mind, or excuse me, 64 inches, but keep in mind, obviously there's a lot of space between the top of the seat where I measured from all the way to the front seats, the back of the front seats, and that's going to obviously vary a little bit depending on where driver and passenger are sitting. And what about the cargo area underneath the floor? We're looking at 31 inches in width, 16 inches deep as far as the length goes, and then as far as your actual depth from here to the floor is going to be 7 inches. And obviously you can conceal that area away if you want to and put your cargo cover back over that to keep things safe back here. Depending on what you're hauling around, that could have a lot of benefits. And those are the cargo measurements in inches for the 2023 Acura RDX. If there's a particular vehicle you would like for me to give the dimensions in as far as your cargo capacity goes in inches, tell me down in the comments what that is and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. We'll see you next time. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.